Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today we're diving into the world of Japanese knives, exploring their unique designs, best uses, and why they're some of the sharpest tools in the kitchen. Let's get started. Sharpening with whetstones. Essential for keeping the blade razor sharp. Proper storage. Use a wooden saya cover to protect the blade. Never use a sharpening wheel. It shaves off too much metal and damages the edge. Gyuto, chef's knife. The all-purpose knife for slicing, dicing, and chopping. Santoku, three virtues knife. Perfect for cutting fish, meat, and vegetables. Kiritsuke, traditionally reserved for executive chefs, ideal for precise slicing. Bunka, a versatile knife with a slanted tip. Great for vegetables and delicate cuts. Petty knife, a smaller, precise knife for herbs, fruits, and small vegetables. Nakiri, vegetable cleaver, designed for effortless vegetable chopping. Deba, fish, butchery, knife, heavy-duty blade for filleting and cutting through bones. Yanagiba, sushi knife, a long, single, beveled knife for slicing sashimi and raw fish. Honosuke, boning knife, best for breaking down poultry with precision. Hankotsu, meat butchery knife, used for breaking down large primal cuts. Use a push cut, not a rocking motion. Japanese knives are designed for precision slicing. Always dry the blade immediately. This prevents rusting and keeps the steel in top condition. Hold the knife properly. A firm grip ensures better control and safety. Now you know how to choose and use the perfect Japanese knife. Which one would you add to your collection? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert kitchen tips. Want to improve your knife skills? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert cutting techniques and kitchen hacks.